Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe, Nanchane Udha. Nanchano means ragi or finger millet and Udha means water in Konkani. So this is a Konkani special drink which you can even call it as a ragi juice or a finger millet juice. Ragi is known for its coolant property. It helps keep your system cool. This is a summer special drink. So let's see how to make this easy recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this recipe, the ingredients required are 1 cup of ragi, half a cup of crushed jaggery, around 3 to 4 cardamom pods. Firstly, to begin with, in a bowl add the crushed jaggery, cardamom and hot water and mix everything well until the jaggery dissolves. Next, in a mixer add the ragi and 3/4 cup of water and grind it until you get a fine paste. Once your paste is ready, we are going to use a sieve and filter the residue. We are again going to add some water and grind the residue. Using a sieve, filter this again. Now your final ragi juice is ready. You can add the jaggery and cardamom water into it and mix well. Once again, using a sieve, we are going to filter it. Your fine and smooth ragi juice is ready. You can have this juice as such or you can even refrigerate it and have it later. Here I have had it as such by adding some ice cubes. So do try this summer special drink at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.